Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the Start-Stop button on a BMW E60 530D. Over time, this button can get worn out, but replacing it is a simple DIY job you can do yourself with just a few tools. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Here is the new button cover.
First, you have to pry open the button, just like I did here. Then, you have to disconnect the button connector from the back. Now you need a small flat tool to remove the ring that holds the button cover in place. Or you can use your fingers, just like I did here. Now, to be secure, always check how you remove the button to see what part goes to its place. It will sure save you some minutes. Now let's put everything back the order that we took it out, and we should be okay to go.
That was the last challenge. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.